backtesting. So today I'm planning to do live trading instead of just recorded. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just waiting for this candle to close so that I can get a good confirmation of taking trade. I'll just wait for some time. Maybe this level 0.6 rejection. Let's wait, guys. I find a good opportunity in Nifty than Bank Nifty. So it's kind of facing rejection here. So okay, I'm going to take trade now. Okay, short position, market price. All right, and I'm going to keep my stop loss somewhere here. Here 30 points would be fine. And for target, I will keep somewhere. This zone would act as strong support and resistance. So I will keep here just above this candle. So like, I think 35 points would be perfect. So just above. We'll keep 866. 866, okay. So we are keeping 35 points as stop loss target and 30 points as stop loss. So let's see, guys. So we have kept 30 points as stop loss and 35 points as target. Let's wait for some time and I will update you guys once our target or stop loss is met. It's been almost like 30 minutes after we took trade. We took trade around 14 and so far it is facing resistance at this blue zone. It's more of like a sideways. No, just we need like some momentum to break this or to fall down. I'm expecting that it would hit our stop loss today. So let's wait for some more time. If you see here, so this level 0.6%, it's facing multiple times this zone. So let's wait, guys. Wait and watch what's happening. So most probably it would hit our stop loss as of now. That's what I think. So anyways, guys, I will update you guys once if anything has happened. Our target. So it's just 6 points away. Let's see whether it is hitting our target or not. So what we will do is we will just trail our stop loss as it's very huge. We will trail from 30 points to all the way to 10 points, 11 points. So what was the low? So the low is 69 and the target is 66. We are just 3 points away from the target. So let's wait for, guys, let's wait for some more time. there was a huge fall, so there might be some retracement before further fall. Or let's wait for some more time, guys. I think this is going to hit, so we'll just wait and watch. So yes guys, finally our target got hit. 66 points, 17866, and the low is exactly that place. So we have booked a profit of 35 points. We booked a profit in Nifty. So let me share the analysis behind this trade. Firstly, I'll make this to 30 minutes. So Nifty opened gap up today. If you can see here, this is the opening 9:15 candle, 8th of October. So Nifty opened gap up, and this was the resistance zone which I marked while doing analysis. So this is the resistance zone. So it opened a gap up. It faced resistance as expected. This is the third time it's facing resistance. So let me go back to 1 minute. So this is clearly, we can see that this was an resistance zone. Also I could see a pattern here which is channel pattern and after that we got a breakdown. I didn't take directly entry at this level by just seeing the breakdown. I was just waiting for a retracement so that the RR would be great. So once after breakdown, I drawn a fib rejection level. So from top to bottom. So I exactly took trade at 11:14 after this candle. I mean after the 0.5% rejection area. So I took trade at 11:14. You can see here. So that was the setup, guys. And after that, it was facing resistance at this level, 0.6 level, and then it fell. This zone was also in a good uh, level to short, but I comparatively I feel stronger in 0.5 levels. Also, I was seeing red candle here, so I just took trade here, and we got I also take trades only after multiple confirmations. First thing, in 30 minutes time frame, in larger time frame, we can see this was acting as resistance, and second a breakdown. Third was the rejection, 0.5% rejections level. So I will show you in futures chart. So I took at 11:14. I kept my stop loss. This is where the usual retailers will be keeping stop loss. I just kept just above this level, and 30 points. This is where I kept stop loss first initially, and my take profit was somewhere around here. So firstly, this was acting as a support zone, and secondly, this was acting as a support zone, and third, this was acting as a support zone. So these are the levels where we can keep target, and after that, this gap will be filling. So it would be like fourth target. So we can't keep fourth target as it's very huge. Also, the first target is just like 20 points, which will not be in a good RR. If you see 26 points. So what I did is I just kept the target 2. I was getting like nice RR, and you can see that it broke all the two levels and took support at the target 3 and just going. So if you see, the RR is 1.18, but after this support got broke, I just trailed my stop loss all the way to, by reducing 11 points all the way to 11,921. By that we get like a good RR 1.18, 1.81. So that was the reason why I took trade. I took trade with multiple confirmations, and you can see the results here. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you back in the next video.